Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I have selected a few topics, a few questions, okay, from the syllabus, in which you may have some difficulties. So they are, and the first one is importance of Pakistan location.
Sir, I cannot see your screen. It's black.
Can you see it, Peter?
No, sir.
Yes, Peter. Now you can see, Peter.
No, sir, still black.
Sir, why is that?
Yes, Peter. Now is it visible or not?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
And what is the solution then?
Sir, you can send the photo on MS Team.
Can you see now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I'm uploading, okay, on MS Team Geography channel in files. Will be uploaded in a few seconds. It's not heavy file, okay. Why is it not opening, okay, on MS Team? Surprising. Yes, it will be uploaded, okay. I can explain a few points better.
Sir, now
Time
we
is
can
running
see.
out. Location plus topography plus climate. Can you see that, better?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
MS Teams is opened.
Here you can see, better.
Sir,
On
I
my
can see
screen, na?
only MS Teams.
So who has better internet, he can. Which one you can see better there?
Sir, there have you sent it in the files? Mountainous,
No.
nomads
That is
attended
previous one.
mountainous areas of, yeah.
No, that is previous one. That is previous one. Okay, I'm uploading, okay, right now. So it's about location, natural topography, and plus climate, beta. So they are the topic.
Sir,
They are the chapters, okay.
we can see your screen, but only MS Teams is opened.
On screen, what do you see, beta?
Sir, on the screen you have opened the files of geography.
Location plus natural topography. That one.
No, sir, in the geography channel you have opened the files, and in it it's The PowerPoint shared by Noor Muhammad, the mountainous areas of Pakistan, November 16.
Astaghfirullah, what is the problem? Who has better internet? Better quickly tell me quickly. Rafi, should I make you presenter? File has been uploaded there, beta. Quickly tell me quickly, beta. Already 10 minutes are lost. Yes, beta. Who has better internet?
Sir, I have.
Abdurrahman?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got
Okay.
it.
Yes?
Geography division, grade 8.
Yes, beta. Yes, Abdurrahman, no, you are the presenter. Okay. Quickly share your screen. Open that file. Okay. And we will revise that one, beta. Quickly, beta. Can you or I, should I make another one, beta? Abdurrafi,
Sir,
can you do that,
sir,
beta?
I can. Yes, sir. Sir, I can do it.
Quickly open it. Share your screen.
Can you see?
Yes. Quickly, beta, quickly.
Now?
Still, your profile is coming, beta.
Sir, I've opened its location plus natural topography plus climate.
Yes, that one. Quickly open that.
I opened it, sir. It's showing in my screen.
Astaghfirullah. What is the problem today?
Sir, can you ask
11
that
minutes.
someone else is seeing or no? Like, who can
We
see?
can't see, beta. We can't see. We can't
I
see.
cannot see.
Any other one, beta, who has better internet, beta?
Sir, I can share.
Okay, yes, Abdurrafi, I'm making you presenter. Quickly make it, beta.
Sir, can you see the screen now?
No, beta. Okay, you stop it, beta. Abdurrahman, you stop it. Yes, Abdurrafi, you can share, beta. Quickly, beta.
So can you see?
Yes, beta. Thank you, beta. You are hiding the things. Okay, Abdurrafi, thank you, beta. I think everyone can see that, beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
Yes.
It's importance of Pakistan's location. Okay, so as you can see that Karachi is a warm water port which serves as a refueling stop. Okay, for ships. Mean ships can come to Karachi seaport and they can be refueled. In this way, Pakistan can generate money. Number two, Jinnah Terminal, main Karachi airport. It connects okay with the west okay by air. So in this way, okay, we can have transportation of passenger in and out of Pakistan. Beta. Number three, natural gas pipeline okay from CAS, Central Asian states. Central Asian states countries and Iran to India and Southeast Asian countries or nations, we can say that. Beta. Already, okay, we are working on that, and one gas pipeline is almost we can say that okay, it is going to be completed. Okay, It will start, okay, from Turkmenistan, through Afghanistan, then Pakistan, then India, and other Southeast Asian nations, okay, which are having, okay, energy problems, so they can be they can get benefits, okay, from that natural gas pipeline, okay, which will start from Turkmenistan, beta. So in this way, okay, Pakistan can generate more money, and also, okay, if we we have the shortage of energy in Pakistan, so we will also cope or meet out the needs, okay, of energy shortage which we have in Pakistan, beta. In the same way, easy access to CAS, okay, via Afghanistan. Through Afghanistan, okay, we can have access to Afghanistan, okay, and then Afghanistan to CAS, okay, we can easily access that, beta. Karakoram Highway connects Pakistan with China, through Gwadar Seaport, we can have connection, okay, with western part of China, and we can do trade, okay, with China, okay, by using the land routes. And definitely, okay, it will be inflow of Chinese products, okay, through border. Yes, Pakistani products, okay, will go to China, and Chinese products, okay, will come to Pakistan, beta. Recently, okay, China has imported some seafoods from Pakistan, beta. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And now I have taken a few questions, okay, from the past paper. As you can see that number one question is state the number of degrees, okay, east of longitude. East of longitude, my dear, okay, and that is the line, beta. That is the line, okay. You can see that. That is line of longitude, and you know that lines of longitude are drawn, okay, from north to south. And lines of latitude, okay, so they are drawn, okay, from east to west, like that, beta. So as you know that Pakistan's location on line of latitude from 24 degree, from here 24 degree to 37 degree. So that is the location of Pakistan on line of latitude. And when we see Pakistan's location of line of longitude, starting, okay, from 61, and it is going to 78, beta. So that is the location of Pakistan on line of longitude, beta. So there will be some lines, okay, and you have to tell that, okay, which lines are they, beta. As you can see that, state the number of degrees, okay, east of longitude A. This is the line A, beta. Can you see my cursor? No, you can't see that, okay. Abdul Rafi, you can place on A, beta. Cursor A, yes. This one, beta. As you can see that this is 76 degree east. So that is the location of A place, okay, you can see that, okay. A line of longitude, okay, so it's degree 76 east, beta. Number B part, they are saying that, okay, that name the mountain range. This one, beta. This mountain range B, so that is of Karakoram High. Karakoram mountain range is that, beta. Now they're asking, okay, name the plateau, okay, and name the plateau, okay, that is C. Here you can see come to Balochistan, beta, on west part of Pakistan. C, yes, this is C, beta. You can see that it is Balochistan, beta. Balochistan plateau. Balochistan plateau, beta, okay. In the same way, they are saying that name the desert D. This is D, my dear. It is Cholistan. And you can see that, okay, whole desert, okay, has not been shaded. Only the Cholistan desert, okay, which is in Punjab, okay, so that has been shaded, okay, so we can write, okay, Cholistan desert. And then go to E part. E part is the neighboring countries of Pakistan, okay, and that is Afghanistan, beta. In northwest part of Pakistan, neighboring country is Afghanistan. And on west side, okay, we have Iran. So like that, okay, if labeling question comes there, okay, so that will come like that, beta. Yes, beta, go to next one, beta. Yes, here you can see that state the number of degrees, okay, north of long latitude, okay, A, as Murray is, okay, 34° north. Murray location is 34° north, okay, and here we have, yes, as you can see that it is very close to the north part of Pakistan, okay, where Pakistan boundary is finishing. And you know, on line of latitude, Pakistan is still 37 degrees Celsius. So if we minimize, okay, one more in that, okay, so this degree is 36 degrees Celsius better. And on this degree, line of latitude, Gilgit and Chitral. Gilgit and Chitral, okay, both are located on same line of latitude better. Gilgit and Chitral. And as they have given that, okay, Murray is located on 34° north. So that is about the line of latitude, okay. In this way, you have in the book, beta, a few lines, okay, you have to remember that, not all. So you can easily remember, okay, those lines of latitude and lines of longitude, beta. In the same way, they are asking, okay, name the mountain range B part. Come down a little bit, beta. Yes, this is B part. And this is not extreme, okay, north part of Pakistan, beta. So this is Himalayan mountain, beta. Himalayan mountain range. Himalayan mountain range, okay. Name the river C. Name the river C, my dear, okay. And as you can see that, okay, this river is coming from Afghanistan. It is going through Pakistan and entering, okay, river Indus. So it is river Kabul, beta. Now in the same way, they're asking, okay, name the desert D. Go to the extreme west part of Pakistan. Yes. So this is Haran Desert, beta. In Haran Desert, okay, we have D. No Kundi, okay, as you have question, okay, in the exercise of the book, beta. And now name the city. Yes, this city, okay. So that is Quetta, beta. That is Quetta. And keep in mind that, okay, Multan and Quetta, they are located on same line of latitude. Multan and Quetta, they are located on same line of latitude, beta. Go to next question, beta. Yes, beta, here they can see that, okay, they're asking name the city A. It is Gujranwala, okay. I told you that, okay, you have to memorize the location of some important cities of Pakistan, beta. Some important cities of Pakistan. In the same way, they're asking, okay, state the latitude in degree north of line, okay, B. B, okay, so that is 32 degrees Celsius, beta. Sorry, 32 degree latitude, okay, not Celsius, okay, 32 degree latitude. So that is the location of Gujranwala, beta. Now they're asking, okay, name the river C. Yes, this is the river. Its name is Hub River. And keep in mind that, beta, this river is starting, okay, from Kirthar range. Kirthar range. And Kirthar range is located, okay, on the border of Sindh and Balochistan, okay, as you can see that, okay, so that is starting, okay, from there, beta. And it is a Hub River, and Hub River, okay, we have Hub Dam, and behind the dam, okay, we have the reservoir, and from here water is supplied to Karachi city, beta. So from Hub Dam, okay, Karachi water, Karachi water supply, okay, so that is obtained from there, beta. State two main features of the climate in area D. Yes, there is D, yes, beta. In the west part of Pakistan, okay, it is the desert area, Haran Desert, okay. So as you know that it has arid type of climate, beta, arid. So it is arid, okay, very dry, okay, desert. Winter is mild over there, and summer is very hot there, beta. Winter is mild, okay, but summer is very hot, okay. So they are the 2 points, okay, you can write about the D location, okay, as you can see there, beta. Yes, beta, next. Yes, again, okay, we have one more question, my dear. Name the dam A, beta, dam A. And as you can see that, okay, it has been built on river Jhelum. And on river Jhelum, okay, we have Mangala Dam. And on river Indus, okay, we have Tarbela Dam, beta. In the same way, name the river B. Name the river B, beta. A and B, okay, you can see that on the same river, okay, they have, make the labeling, okay, so B is a Jhelum river, beta. In the same way, they're asking, okay, state the number and degrees, okay, east of line of longitude C. So you can see that, okay, C. So it is 68. As I told you that a few lines, okay, you have to memorize, beta, a few lines. Not all, okay, you have in the book there, okay, which lines are important, okay, you can see that, beta. In the location of Pakistan, yes, this is the line, okay, you can see that it is line of longitude from north to south, okay, you can see that. So it is 68° east. In the same way, name the city D, and that is Sakkar. You can see that is the Sakkar city, my dear. And then near Sakkar, okay, as you know that we have Sakkar Barrage. Sakkar Barrage, okay, my dear. Name the range of hills, okay, shaded at E. Yes, here. So they are Suleiman Range. Suleiman Range, okay, so which are located on the border of, you can see other side, okay, we have Balochistan. This side, okay, we have Punjab. So on Punjab and Balochistan border, we have the mountain range, okay, and it is Western Mountain Range, okay, that is Suleiman Range, beta. Next, go with the next. Yes, we have comparison, okay, between Northern and Western Mountain, okay. And as you can see that, okay, first of all, the Northern Mountains. So they are at high range, okay, at the altitude of average 6,000 meter. They are covered, okay, with mass of rock and ice, which forms, okay, glacier on these mountains. The area is rich, okay, in water as the ice melts, okay, and the small tributaries of water comes out of it. And as the temperature is very low, population is less. Agriculture and forest are the main source of earning for people. And these areas are very scenic, okay. So they are a few points, okay, we can write that with. And Western Mountain, okay, we can write that they are bare of vegetation. Climate, okay, does not support, okay, vegetation as it is dry, and water availability is less. Canal irrigation is not possible. Mostly these mountains are rich, okay, in minerals, limestone, clay, and we have other minerals too. Limestone and sandstone are the main mineral, okay, in these areas. The landscape is mostly rugged, and this forced the people that people are nomadic herder, and these mountains are rich, okay, in mineral resources but could not explore, okay, because of lack of finance with it. As we have shortage of money, okay, that's why that we are unable to explore, okay, these mineral resources, okay, which we have in these mountain ranges better. Next better. Yes, if question comes that, okay, write the drainage feature of northern mountain or describe them, okay, so you can see in the slide. So they are some of the features, okay, which are located in the northern mountains of Pakistan, beta. Like you can see the term drainage means the natural runoff water, okay, from an area in the rivers and the stream, beta. Yes, this is the definition of drainage. The term drainage, okay, means the natural runoff of water, okay, from an area and rivers and stream bed. Following features are formed, okay, by river Indus and its tributaries while flowing down, okay, from high altitude mountains bed. So they are the drainage feature, okay. the features, okay, which are formed, okay, by water. Gorges we can find over there, waterfalls, okay, we can find over there, rapids and streams and springs, okay. So they are points, okay, written in the book, okay, you can see that their description is also there. So as easily, okay, you can write about the drainage feature of northern mountains. Yes, but I go to the next. Yes, but there are, okay, some environmental issues too, and environment. So they are increased soil erosion, okay, due to deforestation and overgrazing. Yes, deforestation problem, okay, we have in the mountainous areas of Pakistan. We number two, okay, extensive tree trimming, okay. So to feed the livestock and increase demand, okay, for the firewood has resulted in more deforestation, okay, at a faster rate. Number three, increased population in streams, of pollution in streams and rivers due to rapid population growth and tourism. Number four, the construction of road, okay, have increased deforestation and landslide, and unhygienic drinking water, okay, spread diseases, okay, like dysentery and cholera. So they are some of the environmental issues in the mountainous areas of Pakistan. If they ask that, okay, so you can write, okay, all these points you have in the book, okay, these points, beta. Go to the next, beta. Yes. You can see that, okay, we have one picture and one map. Picture and one map, okay, you can see that. And in the picture, okay, you can see a desert area, beta. There is very less vegetation, okay, as you can see that. Dry soil, okay, we can see that. Sandy soil, okay, we can see that. Less vegetation, okay, camels, okay, we can see that. And from the map, okay, they're asking that, okay, we have to label place X, okay, and Y. X and Y, okay. And X, okay, as you can see that it is extreme, okay. No, down one, yes, yes. So that is southeastern desert, beta. So we can write, okay, either Thar, Nala, Choristan, okay, Thar Parker, any, okay, we can write that, okay. So if you write, okay, Thar Cholistan desert, okay, so that is perfect one, beta. For X desert, if we write, okay, Thar Cholistan desert, okay, so that is the best answer, okay, we will write that, beta. Was in which we will be covering, okay, Cholistan desert and also Thar desert, beta. In the same way, why you can see that it is located on Sindh Sagar Doab. Sindh Sagar Doab, okay, as you can see that. So that is Thal desert, okay, not Thar. Thar is southeastern desert, and that is Thal desert, which is between river Indus and Jhelum, beta. Go to next part, beta. Yes. Here you can see that south part of Pakistan, okay, has been shown on the map, beta. How can we say that it is south part of Pakistan? Because we can see Arabian Sea, beta. Can you see Arabian Sea, beta? Yes. This is Arabian Sea, okay. And here we have maximum area of Sindh province. So name the city A. Name the city A. That is, you know that it is Karachi. B is Hyderabad, and C is Sakkar. Yes, Hyderabad, Sakkar. Okay, you can see that. So they are the name of the cities, my dear. But keep in mind that, okay, it is your job, okay, to memorize the location of the important cities of Pakistan and also line of latitude and line of longitude, beta. In the same way, they're asking, okay, name the desert D. Name the desert D, okay, as you can see that is located on the southeastern part of Pakistan, okay. So as you can see that, okay, Punjab has not been shown in it, my dear, okay. So that is Tharparkar. Tharparkar or Thar, or if you write, okay, Thar, okay, that is also accepted, better. Thar desert. Because Cholistan, okay, has not been shown, okay. Cholistan is in Punjab. Yes. In the same way, explain the physical reason, okay, for a high density of population in area Y. Where is Y?
Sir, you missed one question.
Which one, beta?
Name the river E.
Oh, yes. Name the river E, beta. Yes. Which river is that? Indus. Yes, that is Indus, beta. Because from Karachi, from Sindh province, okay, as you know that only one river flows, okay, and that is Sindh. Sorry, that is river Indus, beta. In Urdu we say Darya-e Sindh, beta. In Indus को हम दरियाए सिंध कहते हैं.
Okay.
Clear, beta? Yes, beta.
Yes.
Now question is that, okay, explain, okay, why. Explain the physical reason high density of population in area Y, beta. Which area is? This whole area is Y, huh? Yes, this whole area is Y, beta, okay. Why do we have, okay, population density, okay, more here, beta? As you can see that, okay, we have second and third largest cities of Sindh province, okay, Hyderabad and Sakkar. Hyderabad and Sakkar, okay, so they have been shown that, so they are showing that, okay, we have more population density over there, beta. So what are the reasons, okay? So as you can see that river Indus is flowing over there. So due to river Indus, okay, we have alluvial soil, okay, fertile soil, okay, and it is good, okay, for agriculture. You have the presentation, okay, you can go through that, my dear, and inshallah we will continue, okay, next lesson with take care, inshallah, see you next lesson with if you have any question, okay, yes, about this presentation, okay, you can ask me next time with Allah Hafiz, beta.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Hassan Abid.